They probably doing the late run.
Yeah.
They probably gonna be there in the dark where they can get rowdy. Guys, we're on the road this morning. It is 7:16. We done gassed up, met up with got X up in the front. Y'all know X from some of the other videos. Got Tori that rode down from around Olive Branch, Mississippi to meet us. Tori, he and I rode to Louisiana to Unleash the Peace ride together. But we're shooting over to Highway 45. Gonna meet up with some other guys and head down to a local bike rally here in Mississippi that they hold every year. So I'll tell you more about that later. Y'all come along with us and see what it's all about. We'll check it out and hope it's a good day. That song does sound good. Talking about Tori's bike. That sucker sounds good, boy. They were talking about this truck stop, and I've never been to this. I couldn't think for my life. I knew where this road was, but I couldn't remember a truck stop or a store. There she blows. Uh-oh. We met up with our guys, and we had another group here, which is a club called Hyper Riders from Tupelo. So we're just gonna ride down with them. Got a guy from the Outcast MC leading the way. We are in the town of Sturgis, Mississippi. Out there, brother. Red bike right there is the one you're raffling off next time, right? Must get in on that one.
Gotta get it.
All right, guys, it's Sturgis, Mississippi. Rally started in 1997. I think it shut down for a couple years around COVID, but pretty good turnout this year. Had a sound show right there a minute ago. A lot of this stuff I can't record because there's a lot of music and stuff playing, but not a bad turnout. Little Sturgis. So this is my second time going. X's third time going.
My first time.
Tori's first time going. So what y'all think about it?
It's all right. I like the sound competition. I hate we didn't take the poker run, but we'll get it next go round.
Yeah. What about you being your first time?
Being my first time, I can say it was hot. And I was amazed.
Hot.
Yeah. It was compared to other places I go to, it'd be cold, but this year was hot.
Yeah, it was bad hot. They was giving away free waters, had a mist and tan up, so that was pretty nice. Yeah, the sound tent was pretty cool. And we'll only get there earlier to do the poker run next time, but they better turn out than the time I was there before. What about last year? Was there more people?
There was more people last year, and they didn't block off all the parking like they did this time. What they did, they cut off the tree section where all the trees is up where you can normally park at in the grass. They stopped all of that.
You couldn't park there last year?
Yeah, last year you could. We parked under the tree last year.
Okay.
Yeah. This year they stopped all that. Make sure you pay your $20 to even get back there to the tents, to the vendors. It's basically what they did. So
yeah, so different from the time I went. They had all the tents outside where you had to pay. This time all of them was inside where you had to pay because there's no getting around paying $20 to get in. So anyway, that's it.
They will chase you down.
Yeah, they will chase you down. Whether you're on a bike, walking, whatever, they'll chase you down.
Yeah. I think they tried to charge you twice, didn't they?
Yeah, we rolled through there. That deputy was like pointing at his wrist. I'm like, we already got him. They weren't gonna let you get in there for free.
You gotta pay again.
Yeah, pay again. I'm like, the lady went in. The lady tried to stop me. I said, look, you ain't getting another 20 out of me. He didn't see my armband, but
they said $20 when knees got weak, man. I kind of almost passed out, man.
I wasn't expecting that. I was figuring like $5, $10.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was 10.
Yeah, 5 or 10, $20.
But actually, the 20, you explain this part. That $20, that's for all 3 days, though, really. When you pay for that van, you can go back later on tonight and tomorrow.
For all weekend?
It's the whole weekend.
Oh, okay.
That ain't too bad, then. If you're going to be there all weekend, that ain't too bad.
It ain't bad. It's for the concerts as well, so you get to see the concerts they're going to have tonight and all of that. So,
yeah. That ain't bad at all then.
And the thing that I like about it, they had RV parking.
Oh, they did.
That's on his bucket list right there.
They did have RV parking.
Yeah.
They had that. Yeah, next time it'd be good if somebody come camp and just
Yeah, that's what they would do. They camped
stay all weekend.
That's what lady said. They camped and she'll come out there and sit all day.
Yeah.
Wow.
I thought we might serve.
Nice place to go, man. Just camp out there, and then, like I said, everybody come down and they just be in the RV.
Yeah, spend the whole weekend.
Yeah.
Thought we might see our buddy Weo, but we didn't see him. Him and his club was coming, but they probably doing the late run.
Yeah.
They probably gonna be there in the dark where they can get rowdy. Who knows? We stopped over here in Tupelo, Mississippi at the Amsterdams. Get a little something to drink. Like Tori said, it's hot out there, man. Bad hot today. So, all right, we're gonna drink. Next video coming up will be taking the rusty nail to the rusty nail. Tell y'all about that later. Catch y'all in the next one. Okay.